On the southwestern edge of Africa lies a land where gravel roads stretch beyond the horizon, where wildlife still roams free. This is Namibia.
The legacy of love. Presence. The Great Ledger.
Some stories don't begin at the start line. They begin in loss. A daughter gone without warning.
In 2017, our world changed completely overnight. The world kept moving, but life for us came to a full stop. We were broken, end of story. The hardest part was the silence of each one of us four that was left, and that was unbearable. A child's absence is louder than any noise, and Lumay was always loud.
And in the silence that followed, a question remained. What do you do when life gives you more than you can handle? For Sybrand and Ronel de Beer, the answer was not to stop.
So the turning point for us was that low point of deciding how to move forward. We did not want this pain to be in vain, and through messages of Lumay that she written down, through quiet time that Ronel spent in the Bible and prayer, we got a clear message to turn this into a purpose. We believe God gave us a microphone to deliver a message of faith, hope and love, and this was part of our healing, to move forward and carry love into this world.
We started Legacy of Love because just straight after Lumay's passing, the children and the whole country in a whole was in such a shock, and parents and kids asked questions about death, heaven, and serious questions. And we just realized we have opportunity here to just really dig in and answer these questions about heaven, and that parents should talk to their children about death, and that's not the end of eternal life on earth. Actually, there's a life after earth, and that's eternity, and that parents should really have these hard talks with their children so they understand, and it's not such a shock. We realized that grief is something that no one should walk alone with. There was no platform in Namibia to really get some guidance and help, so we had to go away to South Africa, and then we realized we can actually start something here. And like Sybrand said, through the message that we got internally, that Legacy of Love started originally as a blog and then a website, and then it later turned into a full charity trust, and today it's actually a platform that people really can use.
So when something like this happens to you, you really feel alone. You feel that there's no one else that will understand you, and sometimes the healing starts when someone says, I understand. And through what we do with the Ledger, riders are cycling for people that lost a loved one, and people start to feel that there's other people that are connecting with them. And through the books that we read and the case studies that we got from other people, they started to explain and put attention to the sharing of stories, and that makes you feel part of a community that understand each other. This journey led to the creation of Ledger because endurance riding became part of our healing journey. Somewhere in the suffering, purpose started taking shape. Pierre Lambert started this ride specifically for Legacy of Love in 2021 and raised $18,000 Namibian. So the question is then, why would we turn something so painful into something so physically demanding? And the answer is very obvious, because grief is demanding. It strips you down, it tests you, it forces you to keep going when you think you can't. We have lungs. Lumei could not breathe because her lungs were full of fluid at the last moments. Therefore, the pain to feel is almost associating to the pain she experienced. And while we all have the ability to breathe, we can do that for those that can't anymore.
The LEDEUR really stands for the tough one. It's a French name because grief is tough. It's not just a race, it's a confrontation you'll have with yourself.
We always wanted to expand the manga into Namibia, and I spoke to a very close friend of mine and she connected me to Sybrand and the cause of Legacy of Love. And the whole manga being tough and hard connected with a LEDEUR, which basically means, very tough. And so we connected. This is the third year that we're taking hands. We've done specific or different regions. And now, it's a full-on race with a 50-hour, 24-hour and a 100-miler on the calendar.
Namibia leaves its mark on you, in the silence, the dust, and the endless beauty of these roads. But the LEDEUR became more than a race. It became a reminder that love can outlive loss. And every rider who came here will leave carrying part of the legacy of love forever.
Hier is iets persoonliks van die logo. Dit is Lumei se eie handskrif, hoe sy liefde geskryf het, love, met haar eie hartjie, hoe sy dit geteken het.
Thank you to every rider who rode for something greater. Thank you to the volunteers for every smile along the way.
Thank you to every host who welcomed us like family. Thank you to all the sponsors for believing in what love can do.
But most of all, Namibia and all your beautiful people.
You made this feel like home.
Together we keep moving
For a purpose greater than our own.
and wherever the journey takes us,
Love will guide us all the way.
long after the dust has settled
And the bicycles are gone,
the legacy of love
we'll carry on.
long after the dust has settled
And the bicycles are gone,
the legacy of love
we'll carry on.
Ek gaan dit weer doen. Ek gaan dit doen totdat ek dit nie meer kan doen nie. Ja. ek is diep dankbaar vir Sybrand en wat sy lieflike vroutjie se naam
Ronel.
wat vir ons die voorreg gee om dit te doen.